Welcome to Gen Secret Factory. To stay up to date, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here. Let's go inside.
The yield on the new line is stabilizing faster than expected.
Yes, and the color uniformity on these panels is excellent.
Hertz, 120 times per second it refreshes. The touch response is perfect. Ready for the day.
That's the spirit. Go on in.
Chào mọi người. Các bạn làm tốt lắm. Bạn làm tốt lắm. Chúng tôi cảm ơn giám đốc.
This tastes incredible today. You have to try some.
Oh wow, that is spicy. He always says that about the chili.
Congratulations on this remarkable achievement.
Thank you. We anticipate a prosperous future together.
This resistor is misaligned. Adjust the feeder.
Understood. Understood.
That looks good. The OIS is fully engaged.
Perfect stabilization. We are ready for the next phase.
So the light enters here, hits this first prism, and folds along this path before exiting to the sensor.
I see. So that shortens the module significantly.
The return loss is stable across the band. Comparing the gain here, yes, it meets the spec requirements.
Microphone check. 1, 2. Testing the speaker function now.
(19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24).
Một cái nữa đây. Được rồi, đặt ngay ngắn vào.
Here is the shipment of AMOLED panels.
Excellent. We look forward to working together.
At $62.5 billion, this is Vietnam's biggest company, a true symbol of our national achievement and pride.
Samsung gave us the opportunity, and we grew from a small workshop. Now we employ over 200 people.
An incredible achievement.
I told him, this new factory is the best place to work.
Absolutely, and the chai here is perfect.
It is good that you have come to our land. We welcome you.
Thank you. It is truly beautiful here.
이 데이터 포인트는 성능 향상을 보여줍니다.
네, 그렇게 하면 훨씬 안정적이겠군요.
수고 많았어요. 아주 좋습니다.
To 87,000 Vietnamese hands every day.
The entire manufacturing journey ending here in human hands.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Hi, honey. Look how big you've gotten.
Welcome to Gen Secret Factory. To stay up to date, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here.